I am excited. You know what this is? This is the Palette 2S. I would totally look forward to seeing what this is going to do for me. I got so many different ideas for so many different prints coming up for a few clients. But this is the unpackaging of it. So without further ado, I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. So I'm not going to get into all this explanation stuff. I'm going to get into just opening it up. Oh yeah, have a look at that. What does that say? What's that say? Palette 2. It better be an S, because I know I bought the Palette 2S.
Oh, sorry. That's not right.
Ooh, a box within a box. I am about to break the seal. And you know, once I break this seal, this little circle seal, they put these circle seals on like every single box for like everything these days, so that if it's broken, they're like, ah! Alright. Gotta do that because I will hurt myself. Palette 2. Here it is. Oh yeah! Holy, weigh a ton. This thing. Alright, here, check. I gotta give it to my producer. Here. Whoa! Right? Got some weight to it. I wanna put this on a scale. Let's get a scale. Go get the scale. Oh, here's the scale. That's where I do all my venison and stuff. Let's see here. Alright, that's pretty zeroed out. Let's have a look at this guy. You ready? Oh, hey, that thing is just over 7 pounds. 7 pounds. I'm gonna pull muscle. Down at the, you can't even see that, can you? There we go. Down at the bottom. Here's your feed hose. My drumsticks, future drumsticks. Oh boy, I'm so excited to get this thing working because I want to print that guy over there that I'm printing now, but I want to print it in color, in different colors. So this thing's going to allow me to do that. You see? Oh, check it out. Magnetic, so that it can go on and off like this. Okay. And here are the feeds. Can you see that? The lighting is terrible, right? I don't know how many people are going to complain about that. That's it. I am excited. I am so excited that I'm going to be late picking up my wife, and she's not going to be excited because I'm going to let her know that I'm late picking her up because I was excited about a Palette 2, and that's not going to go over well. For all you married men, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, a lot of little pieces in here. Huh? All right. Well, without further ado, I'm out of here.